Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be participating in a Sweet for Your Sweetie challenge for Valentine's Day, and we're going to be making some berry mini cheesecakes. This is hosted by Viology and Saving with Miss V along with Tennessee Kim. So let's get going. We're going to begin by preheating our oven to 350 and then lining our mini muffin pan with some muffin cups. We're going to take our rolling pin and smash up a package of graham crackers, and we're going to use 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs. And one package will give you your 2 cups of your graham cracker crumbs. We're just going to dump those in a small bowl. If they're not crumbled up enough, just reach in there with your hands and break the rest of those up till they're nice and crumbled. Next, we're going to use 6 tablespoons of melted butter. We're just going to dump that in there. And now we're just going to take our wooden spoon and kind of mix that butter up in there a little bit. And once that butter is kind of mixed in a little bit with our spoon, get in there with your hand and just really work that butter in. And now we're going to line our muffin cups with some of our graham cracker crumb. And we're going about halfway up to begin with. And then once you have that all in there, we're just going to go and gently press those graham crackers down a little bit. Just like that. This is a very easy recipe to make, but it tastes so good. Trust me, your sweetie will love you for this. Now we're going to fill those muffin cups up just a little bit more until they're about 2/3 of the way full. And then we'll go ahead and just tap those down one more time until they look just like this. Now we're going to go ahead and set that off to the side. And with another small bowl, we're going to add 2/3 cup sugar. There's 1/3. We'll add one more. And that will be our 2/3 cup. Now we're going to take some vanilla extract, and we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Just like that. And now we will add 16 ounces of softened cream cheese. Now I only add 8 ounces at a time. Add your 8 ounces. Go ahead and mix that with your hand mixer. If you only have a hand mixer, it's just a little easier. If you're just doing 8 ounces of cream cheese, get that all blended in real well. Then add in your other 8 ounces of cream cheese. Now, if you have one of those really nice KitchenAid mixers with the bowls and everything, you could probably go ahead and add it all at once. Then just go ahead and get that in there and mix it up really well. And after you have that mixed, add 2 large eggs. And once those eggs are in there, we're just going to give it another quick mix, just enough to blend those eggs in. Good. Now let's scrape this bowl. Just make sure we have everything mixed in there, all nice and well. This recipe is a huge hit with my family. Everybody loves it. It does not stay around long. And now what we're going to do is just take a nice healthy dollop on the end of our spoon and add that right on top of our graham cracker crumble. Just like that. This is definitely a recipe where you use your fingers a little bit and your hands. You're totally making this with love. Now, once we have these all in there, the magic of camera work, those are done. We'll just go ahead and put those in the oven And we are going to bake those at our 350 preheated oven for 13 minutes. And once the centers are completely set, go ahead and take those out. And we're going to just let them cool for 10 minutes. Once they've been cooled for 10 minutes, go ahead and add whatever type of berry you like on top. You can add raspberries or whatever you want. We're using blackberries and strawberries. And we just cut the strawberries up while they were cooling for their 10 minutes. Now, once you have all your berries added on, go ahead and remove them from your muffin pan. And it's easiest if you just use a little fork to help you pull those up out of your muffin pan. And then let those completely cool and then put them in the refrigerator for at least an hour. And there you have it. They're done. Now, normally you serve them by taking off the muffin cups, but because the muffin cups were red, I decided to just go ahead and leave them on to just add to our Valentine's Day theme. If you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching.